A simple method with just two indicators: 5-minute expiry, 1-minute time frame on Eurodollar. First, the most important thing, on our platform, the payout is 82%. If I invest 100 and win, I get 82. If I lose 100. Winning half the time isn't enough. The math is simple. 100 divided by 182 is about 55%. So I need to win at least 55 trades out of 100 just to break even and stay above 58 to 60% to actually profit. Keep that number in mind. The whole strategy is built to beat it by taking few trades but good ones. We need two indicators. The first, the 50-period exponential moving average, the EMA 50. It tells us the market direction. Price above the line, uptrend, below it, downtrend. The second, the stochastic, set to 5, 3, 3, which shows us when price has caught its breath. The pauses within the move where we want to enter. We go call when we expect price to rise with three conditions: price above the EMA 50, stochastic drop below 20, and the two stochastic lines crossing upward as they exit that zone. That crossover is the signal that the pause is over and the trend resumes. On the downside, it's the mirror image. Put, price below the EMA 50, stochastic above 80, and the lines crossing downward as they exit the high zone. Now the part that makes the difference, when not to enter. If price is glued to the average and drifting with no direction, that's a sideways market. Skip it. Stay away from major news which breaks any strategy. One trade at a time, waiting for the outcome. And if you're in doubt, don't enter. A skipped trade costs nothing, a wrong one does. Finally, money, a fixed amount, 2 to 3% of your capital, always the same. Never martingale. And a limit of 5 or 6 trades a day, then stop. That's the strategy. Simple. 2 indicators, clear rules. But it's not a money machine, it's a method. Test it in demo first until you see your real win rate. You'll find the platform and the full written guide in the link below.
Thank you.